If you are the one who is facing your YouTube Kids profile login problem, then this video is for you. Today I will tell you how to fix this issue step by step. So these are the tricks will definitely work for you. So let's get started. For this you need a smartphone. So go to that. First of all, you have to go to your mobile settings like that. Now click on setting. Now click on apps. Now click on app management. Now find the YouTube app. So here is the YouTube app. You just need to open that app. And now you have to go to at the bottom side. Now you have to click on the storage usage. And as you can see that there is an option of clear data and clear cache. So let me tell you, when you click on that, it will remove all the caches and all the bugs from your smartphone related to your YouTube apps. So you just need to click on clear cache. And after that you have to click on clear data. Clear data will remove all the logins which is already there on your mobile. So you just need to delete that. Now again go to your YouTube Kids app. Follow the same process. Click on storage usage. Now click on clear cache. After that clear data. Now click on delete. Now next one, you have to open the Google Chrome. Find it the Google Chrome from the app section. Here is the Chrome. Now click on that. Click on storage usage. Now click on clear cache. Now click on clear data. Now you have to tap on the clear data. Now click on OK. Now after that you have to open the Chrome app. Click on the Chrome app. Make sure the email ID which you have already an account of YouTube Kids. You have to select that mail ID. So select that email ID and now click on continue. Now once you click on it, now click on, as you can select anything. Not now. Now you will successfully get login automatically on your Google Chrome. Now you have to open your Google Lens from your phone. Let me show you how to do that. So take your phone, select the Google Lens. Now scan the barcode. Now tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will fetch the 10-digit code. As you can see that you just not. Now you have to simply click on continue. Once you click on it, you just need to select the preferred email ID which your kids account is already there. So you have to select that email ID. Now once you select it, click on continue. Now after that it will automatically get signed into your smart TV. As you can see that your kids profile is successfully get signed in and log into your smart TV. If you want to create your account or make the fresh account for your child, then you can click on it. If you don't know how to create your child's profile, here is in the I button. You can watch the video and create a fresh child account, or you can create a new kids account on your smart TV through your email ID. Okay. So guys, these type of tricks will definitely work on your mobile and smart TV. If it is working, please comment below and please subscribe to our YouTube channel because I keep posting this type of YouTube related video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.